Gusto mo bang manalo ng up to 150,000 pesos? Kung oo, keep on watching! So eto na nga, nabalitaan ko kasi na meron palang design voting contest ang VinFast. At para sa kaalaman ng lahat, ang VinFast po ay isang Vietnamese e-vehicle brand. And they are also the first automaker brand to open its design process to the public through their design voting contest na ang title ay Pilipinas, Your Vote, Your Design for the Future Filipino Drive. Ang dali lang ng mechanics ng contest na to. All you have to do is visit their website, that's vinfastpilipinas.com, tapos mag-browse na kayo dyan ng mga design options na bet nyo. At kapag nga nakapili ka na ng bet mo, you can now vote for your favorite design ng VinFast VF5, VF6, up to VF9. At bukod nga dyan sa online voting, pwede rin kayong mag-vote offline. All you have to do is visit and vote dun sa mga participating VinFast showrooms at pati na rin sa Highlands Coffee branches. Voting ends on November 7 and winners will be announced on November 15. O ang dali lang ng mechanics, di ba? At magkaiba ang mananalo through online voting at offline voting. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, mag-vote ka na online, mag-vote ka pa offline para more chances of winning. Kaya vote na and take part on the future EV design ng VinFast dito sa Pilipinas.